What you getting out of living? What good is what you got if you're not having any fun? Are you having any laughs? Are you getting any loving? The best of gentlemen now and then have a little fun. Why do you work and slave and save? Life is full of ifs and buts. World's just save and save. And what have they got? Nuts. Better have a little fun. You're not gonna live forever. Before you're old and gray and still okay, have your little fun, son. Have your little fun.
Some fellas love to tiptoe through the tulips. Some fellas go on singing in the rain. Some fellas keep on painting skies with sunshine. Some fellas keep on a-swinging down the lane. But I'm biding my time, 'cause that's the kind of guy I'm. While other folks grow dizzy, I keep busy, biding my time. Next year, something's bound to happen. This year, I'll just keep on napping and biding my time, 'cause that's the kind of guy I'm. There's no regretting when I'm setting, biding my time. I'm biding my time, 'cause that's the kind of guy I'm. Beginning on a Monday, right through Sunday,